I'm going to explain Formula One to you in just 5 minutes, so you understand everything. From now on, you'll be able to talk to your friends without sounding like a beginner. Are you ready? Formula One is one of the motorsports organized by the FIA, International Automobile Federation, along with other sports like Formula E, Rally, WC, etc. With one exception, Formula One was the first, and it is the motorsport with the most fans around the world. It is undoubtedly the #1 motorsport, both in terms of technology and spectacle. In Formula One, there are 10 teams with 2 drivers per team, making a total of 20 drivers on the grid. Each season, 2 championships are contested: the Drivers' Championship and the Constructors' Championship. To win one or the other, a certain number of points will be distributed in each race of the championship: 25 points for first place, 18 for second place, 15 for third place, and so on down to the 10th position. Also, for a few years now, the driver who sets the fastest lap in the race is awarded an additional point. At the end of each race, each driver accumulates points, both for themselves in his own pocket and for his team. The driver and team with the most points will be crowned world champion. Although both trophies are of great importance, all the interest is focused on winning the Drivers' World Championship. Achieving this award is the ultimate recognition in the world of motorsports. Each season, a specific number of races are contested. This year, 2023, a total of 23 races will be held. In each of these races, the previously mentioned points will be equally distributed. Throughout the year, races will take place on iconic circuits such as Monaco, Italy, or Belgium, as well as on recently added circuits such as Baku, Jeddah, or Miami. Formula One is a constantly changing sport. Every year, a technical regulation is published, which teams must strictly follow. This specifies how big the wheels, wings, diffuser, and other parts must be. This is why we have seen such different F1 cars throughout history. The engineers of the team spend a lot of hours studying loopholes in the regulations, trying to make a wing or a diffuser more efficient, so that the car is faster and therefore wins more races. The importance of improving the cars throughout the season makes the Formula One calendar distributed as follows in its 23 Grand Prix races. When there is a race weekend, on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we will have action on the track. Fridays are reserved for Free Practice 1 and Free Practice 2 sessions. Here, teams will freely test their new designs and how the car behaves on the track. On Saturday, we will have the Free Practice 3 session, where teams will do more of the same. And then we will have the qualifying session. This qualifying session will determine the order of the grid for Sunday's race, where points will be awarded, which is the only thing that really matters. If you have ever watched Formula One, you'll see that qualifying is a bit curious, as it will arrange the drivers who have set the best time for one lap. It is divided into 3 parts: Q1, Q2, and Q3. These are sessions of 18, 15, and 12 minutes, respectively, in which drivers with the slowest times are eliminated. In Q1, drivers from 16th to 20th place will be eliminated. In Q2, drivers from 11th to 15th will be eliminated. And in Q3, the top 10 will compete for the pole position, which means starting first. It should be noted that since 2021, with the aim of promoting the spectacle in some Grand Prix races, a Saturday event called Sprint Race was added, which replaces Free Practice 3. In this sprint race, points are also awarded, although significantly fewer than in the Sunday race. The sprint race will last approximately 1/3 of the laps of the Sunday race, and the points to be awarded are as follows. These points will also count towards the final result of the Drivers' and Constructors' Championship, so they cannot be wasted. Formula One races are filled with tension. We see drivers reaching speeds of almost 370 kilometers per hour, taking corners at a tremendous speed, brutal overtakes, crashes, and one of the most attention-grabbing things is the DRS device that promotes overtaking. This device, introduced in 2011, is a movable rear wing that opens when a driver is within 1 second of the car in front. Opening this wing on a straight allows the car to achieve extra speed, therefore facilitating overtaking. Another key moment of a Grand Prix is the pit stops. We see teams working hard to change their drivers' tires in less than 3 seconds. Formula One tires over the weekend are divided into 3 types: hard tires, the whites; medium tires, the yellows; and soft tires, the reds. If we want to do many laps without stopping, the best strategy will be to use the hard tires, although the performance per lap will be worse than the soft tires. On the other hand, the soft tires will not last as many laps as the hard tires and will wear out faster. This decision-making will form the strategies of the teams during the race, resulting in a dance of pit stops and continuous changes in positions. According to the regulations, during the race the teams will have to make at least 1 pit stop to change tires. Don't forget to subscribe, as we've just started and have many more videos to upload in the future. Leave a comment with suggestions to improve our videos. See you, G.